Hello. I'm back again to continue the discussion we were having about diabetes mellitus. Okay, welcome. So, like the introduction said, I'm here to talk about the types of diabetes, also known as ito sugar or atogbe in Yoruba language. So the types of diabetes we have are a lot, over 10. Some people say we have 9, some say 5, some say 7. But I have here with me today over 10 types of diabetes. I'll be listing them first, then I'll discuss type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes in details because these are the most common ones. All right. So the first one is type 1 diabetes. This is autoimmune diabetes. Another one is type 2 diabetes. Okay, and then we have gestational diabetes. This is diabetes that occurs in pregnancy. All right. Another type of diabetes is type C diabetes, also known as pancreatogenic diabetes, in which maybe the pancreas is removed as a result of disease or injury. Okay, that's pancreatogenic. Another one to note is LADA, also known as latent autoimmune diabetes in adults. There is MODY, also known as maturity onset of diabetes in the young. Then there is Wolfram syndrome. This is caused by a genetic condition. Then we have secondary diabetes that is caused by other disease conditions in the body. Also, we have neonatal diabetes that may occur anywhere between the first 6 months of life. Okay, so there is also steroid-induced diabetes. Steroids are medications that are taken to treat some disease conditions, and it may induce diabetes in some people. Then we have cystic fibrosis diabetes. Please like, share, comment, follow me on my social media platforms. And if you have any questions, please drop them. I will answer them as appropriately as I can. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.